Hey guys, and welcome back to Startup Yourself, where we're back with another awesome video for you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our uploads. If you are a beginner in gold investing and are wondering how you should properly do it, then you're just in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about how you can invest in gold in the year 2021. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Given today's economy, we can say that it is a good year to invest in gold. There has been an increasing demand for this precious metal, and a lot of people are trying to invest in it from all around the world. Throughout history, gold has been a hedge against fiat currency debasement. No currency has acted as a better store of wealth and value than gold. Given this, it's not difficult to see why investment demand for gold has been soaring. Regardless of why you want to invest in gold, the question that arises next is how you can do it. What are some of the best ways to purchase and hold gold as part of a broader investment portfolio? For the modern investor, there is a multitude of different investment options available. Some are traditional and some more innovative, depending on your particular investment objectives. We've made a list of some of the ways you can do it. Physical gold coins and bars. When we are investing in silver, gold, or any other precious metal, the most safest and conventional way is to do it by buying physical coins or bars of it. There are dealers online, and the buyers have thousands of options from which they can choose. Different people provide competitive prices to the buyer to choose from. It's important to remember that when buying physical gold, you'll always be paying a price higher than the prevailing spot price in the open market. You should stay away from unnecessary fees or the chance of any premium memberships. Even though this isn't the easiest way of trade, it has a lot of pros. Investing in gold mining stocks. Another way of investing in gold is by doing it in gold mining stocks. Gold miners have always been a popular method for investors wishing to gain exposure to gold. Purchasing stock within these companies gives investors the opportunity to benefit from the gold mining operations of those companies and any future reserve upgrades arising through the exploration activities. Equity investments have the potential for capital appreciation as well as dividend payments for the investor. This way, one can easily invest in gold without having to take care of any physical gold storage and the fear of losing it. But one should remember that mining companies will not necessarily track the gold price closely. That is to say, if the gold price starts to rally strong, there is no guarantee that the price of gold mining stocks will follow suit and won't have a fixed value. Investing in exchange-traded funds and mutual funding. Now you might be wondering what exchange-traded funds are. Well, we're here to tell you. An exchange-traded fund, or ETF, is a type of investment fund and exchange-traded product, i.e., they're traded on stock exchanges. ETFs are similar in many ways to mutual funds, except that ETFs are bought and sold throughout the day on stock exchanges, while mutual funds are bought and sold based on their price at day's end. Since their initial launch, precious metal ETFs have attracted a substantial amount of capital from the gold investment community. ETFs are popular as they feel and trade like conventional stocks and are popular for speculative investors with shorter time horizons. In this method of investing, you don't have to worry about keeping your stock safe, but in case there is a systemic fault, then you'll lose your investments and there would be no protection or ownership of the gold. Gold futures and options. Another popular choice for investors with a shorter time horizon is purchasing gold futures and options, essentially a series of derivatives on the underlying price of gold. One of the main attractions of the futures and options market is it allows investors to leverage their capital through the derivative market's margin system. Given the fragmented nature of the world gold market, these days, most futures and options are traded through online broker platforms that handle all the relevant exchange connectivity and margin requirements on behalf of the investors. There are many options available to investors wishing to buy gold, like one-off investments. We have discussed several in this video, including buying physical gold, investing in mining stocks, purchasing ETFs or gold futures and options, but many investors are interested in investing in gold over long periods of time and seek new ways for investing gold that are more efficient, and many have even found them. For further information, you can consider different gold investing websites online. That was all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any more questions, ask in the comments section below. We'll see you guys in the next one.